My next question is, what does celebrating relationship means to you?
So let me share my perspective of relationship. Uh, Essentially, for driving, you get a license, and you need to be really having a license. Then only you are qualified to drive. Otherwise, it is unsafe. You need to be also having an insurance for your car or the vehicle for which the driving has to take place. Now, these are few of the things which have become essential. However, when we are having our जीवन की गाड़ी और उसको लीव करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए ना तो हमारे पास कोई लाइसेंस होता है, ना कोई एश्योरेंस होता है. Now that is something which is an irony, and we need to really pass that license in order to be successful in our relationship. And in order to do that, that pass, PASS, is something which is so reflective. Why many of those relationship really does not happen versus what is really required to happen. So you need to really pass that relationship test. And that pass is, you need to be exhibiting patience. Unless you have a patience, you have no right to be a parent. The parenting does not take place. It is a seed for parenting. You need to be bringing in an appreciation, and most of the relationships are actually devoid of, or there's a void of only appreciation. The wife is looking for an attention, husband is looking for a praise, and both are not getting what they are actually wanting to have. So unless you bring in an appreciation in your mindset, the relationship is not going to be really successful. What is required for a successful relationship, and you need to pass, is that S, which is called as servant leadership. You need to really understand in that situation what is to be really brought onto the table, when to step in, when to step out. People really do not understand that is step in and step out very clearly. They try to manage, control most of the scenarios. And the last S, which everybody has to pass, is before becoming a soulmate, you need to be really looking whether your partner is a soul, SOLE, soulmate. People are still wondering with multiple partners around, and obviously with that, relationship cannot flourish, cannot nurture. So you need to pass this gatekeeping of relationship, then only you are having a right kind of happy relationship, not only in this materialistic world, but actually taking that S, which is making you a soulmate and making a next part of your journey, which is a spiritual upliftment, where each of us are fulfilling larger purpose of a connect for each of us.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Miraji?
Yeah, for me, the basis of relationship is one is care for each other, understanding each other, caring for each other, and ensuring you can do your little bit to help address those needs.